Let's turn these kids movie posters into horror, starting with Over the Hedge. So let's import the original poster. Then I'm gonna paint over my guy. Then I'm gonna place him back facing forward. Let's give him some drip. I'm gonna mask this over here. Damn, your boy be looking clean. So let's ruin that. So to do that, I got this mommy. I'm just gonna cut this part right here and wrap it over his face. I'm gonna mask this part here a little bit so it doesn't cover his eye. Now I'm gonna add shadows to add some depth. Now that we are done wrapping him with mommy wrappers, it's only fair that we also make his eyes black and add tiny white pupils. Nice, but his adorable smile is ruining everything. So I've got this terrifying image of a monster. I'm gonna cut out his mouth and place it onto it. Then I'm gonna carefully blend it in with the layer. This wrapper here is on the way, so I'll fix it with some liquify. Perfect! Now what is left is to change the friendly green into a more terrifying color. But that dims the title a little bit. So I'm gonna paint over it and I'm gonna replace it with a different font. And I'm gonna place the movie credits down here. After that, I'm gonna polish it with the camera raw filter. And here is Over the Hedge horror version. Like the video, I'll turn you into a monster. Next image is Happy Feet. Alright, first things first, let's erase the original poster. Then I'm gonna import a screenshot of a movie scene where a penguin is saying hello. Let's move it to the side a little bit. Perfect. After that, I'm gonna cut him out using the pen tool. And boom. Let's place him here and fix the snow. Now we are done fixing the snow. Let's make a tiny little crack. But underneath the crack is just a plain old white background. So I'm gonna fix that by placing an image of an underwater scene. Much better. Let's decrease his size a little bit and place him up here like he is jumping. Then I'm gonna place this shark as if he is jumping out of the water, wanting to take a bite on the happy. I am going to mask his tail as if he is under the eye. But I don't like his face. So I got another image of a shark. I'm gonna cut out his mouth and carefully place it on here, and I'm going to carefully mask it so it fits his body perfect. Very evil, very nice. But let's take it a little step further by cutting the penguin's leg and placing it inside the shark's mouth. And I'm gonna make it a little here because it's inside the mouth where there is no light. Then I'll paint the little cut made by the shark using a red brush and a tiny little bow. Finish it with some shadow on the edge. But something is missing. Can you guess what it is? It's the trauma sauce! I'm gonna make it spray away from the leg and paint some stain on the shark. And I'm gonna change the blending option so the trauma sauce blends in with the shark's skin. After that, I'm going to add some edges on the skin to give it some depth. Then I'm gonna place the title down here, Yummy Feet, with a bloody font, and then I'm gonna place the cradle down here and finish it off with a camera roll. And here is Happy Feet horror version. If you enjoyed this video, YouTube knows you'll enjoy the video popping on your screen. So do the right thing.